All right, my little box nerds, today we're gonna be unboxing these 2 essential oils and comparing them. Okay, these are to go on here. That's what I'm using them for, but I do want to just do a comparison of the scents. So this is Expressive scent, is Hiqili. Let me go over the differences first. They're both essential oils, as in not fragrance oils. So a high quality essential oil that you could use for like bath bombs, candle making, humidifier, you know, all those things. All right, oh, okay. Well, this Hiqili one has a much nicer presentation right out of the box. Okay, so it comes with a glass dropper, and then this little top. That's cool. Came wrapped in this. Now, this Hiqili one was around $10 and this one was about $14. And I can say without even looking, like that this one is 2 ounces and this one is 3.3 ounces. So you can already see that you're getting much more with this one. But the real test will be, what do they smell like? Now again, essential oils can be used for all manner of things. But I bought mine to put onto like wool dryer balls. These are listed as cruelty-free, safe for pets, you know, all that, and alcohol-free. Both in a dark bottle, which you always want any kind of essential oil to be in a dark bottle, like an amber bottle like this, because it helps to prevent it from degrading. And they do both have glass dropper tips. I also like to do like a purity test where you just drop some of the essential oil, and then the way that it spreads tells you a lot about like how pure it is. This is the Hiqili one right here. Let's just drop a dot. See how she reacts. This is going to be the Expressive scent over here. Let's see what she does. 2 dots. And they both dried clear without rings, which from what I understand is a good test that there are no fillers in them. Now let's just do a straight up smell test, and we'll use this little guy. Rip him in half. I'm gonna put this on this side. Stand there for a second, and we'll put this over here. Now let me smell them. Okay, that one smells very soapy to me. Yeah, I have to be honest. For me, now it depends on, you know, everybody likes different scents, okay? I mean, if you associate clean with soap, then you're gonna love this. It doesn't smell bad, I just don't really like the smell of it. This just smells fresh. This smells clean and fresh, and I could totally see that. I heard a lot of people were putting distilled water and putting like 10 or 15 drops of this in a spray bottle. Make sure it's glass, by the way, because oil will degrade plastic. And spraying it like as room spray, I can definitely see why this one is the one. Yeah, so for me, I'm gonna keep this one and return this one because this smells very soapy to me. Not a huge fan. There you go. And then, I mean, if you're using it to put on the wool dryer balls, you just put, you know, like between 3 and 6 drops, depending on how much of a scent that you like. All right, if you guys enjoy unboxing and quick review videos like this, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.